Are you tired of slow payments and blocked transactions in the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency? The digital landscape demands speed, but traditional methods often fall short, leaving you waiting and frustrated. Imagine a solution that cuts through these delays, offering instant digital transactions. Introducing Flash USDT, your answer to seamless, rapid digital balance management. What exactly is Flash USDT? It's a temporary, non-settle, and time-bound digital balance designed for immediate utility, not long-term storage. Flash USDT is perfect for a variety of applications. Whether you're on trading platforms, gaming sites, or gambling platforms, it provides instant liquidity. It's also ideal for demos and as proof of funds, offering a verifiable balance without the commitment of a permanent transfer. So, how does Flash USDT work? The process is incredibly straightforward and designed for maximum efficiency. First, you provide your wallet address, either TRC20 or ERC20. This is the destination for your Flash USDT. Then, Flash USDT is generated instantly, with no confirmations needed. That means no waiting, just immediate availability. The balance remains active for a limited time, allowing you to use it as needed. You can even verify it on balance check platforms. Once its validity expires, the balance disappears automatically. And here's the best part. No private keys are ever needed, ensuring your security. Now, why should you choose buyflashnow.com for your Flash USDT needs? We offer unparalleled service and reliability. Enjoy instant delivery, clear pricing with various packages, and a fixed 10% margin. What you see is what you get. We cater to verified clients and even offer face-to-face deals for larger amounts, ensuring a personalized and secure experience. Our process is safe, and we provide dedicated WhatsApp support for any questions or assistance you might need. Ready to experience the speed and convenience of Flash USDT? Here's how to buy from buyflashnow.com. First, visit our user-friendly website, buyflashnow.com. It's designed for a seamless experience. Next, select your desired package, then simply click Buy Now. Enter your WhatsApp number and provide your wallet address. Our team will then confirm your request and generate your Flash USDT. You only pay after confirmation, ensuring transparency and trust. Activation is instant, getting you back to what matters most. Don't let slow transactions hold you back. Visit buyflashnow.com today for a fast, clean, and professional Flash USDT service.